Electric Griddle. The Chefman Electric Griddle is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to meet the diverse cooking needs of the modern home chef. Boasting a sleek black color and constructed from durable metal material, this griddle combines style with functionality to deliver exceptional performance. One of the key highlights of the Chefman Electric Griddle is its special non-stick coating, which ensures that your food cooks evenly and releases effortlessly, making cleanup a breeze. This feature not only enhances the cooking experience, but also promotes healthy cooking practices by minimizing the need for excess oil or butter. With a wattage of 1200 watts and voltage of 120, this griddle offers powerful and efficient heating capabilities, allowing you to cook your favorite dishes quickly and evenly. The adjustable cooking grill enables you to customize your cooking experience, whether you're preparing pancakes for breakfast burgers for lunch or grilled vegetables for dinner.
The Ovente Electric Griddle is a versatile addition to any kitchen, offering a range of features that cater to various cooking needs. The griddle's standout feature is its adjustable temperature settings, allowing users to control the heat precisely based on the dish being prepared. This level of customization ensures consistent cooking results and enhances the overall cooking experience. Another notable feature of this griddle is the removable probe, which adds to the ease of cleaning and maintenance. The ability to detach the probe makes it convenient to store the griddle when not in use, and simplifies the cleaning process, saving time and effort for users. The Ovente Electric Griddle is designed with user safety in mind, featuring cool touch handles that prevent burns or accidents during cooking. This thoughtful addition enhances the griddle's usability, making it suitable for use by individuals of all cooking skill levels. In terms of design, this griddle comes in a sleek black.
The Lodge LDP-3 Cast Iron Rectangular Reversible Griddle provides a versatile cooking experience for consumers. Made of durable cast iron, this product embodies quality and durability that Lodge is well known for. The black color gives it a sleek and classic look that fits well in any kitchen. With an item weight of 9.4 pounds and product dimensions of 16.75 AL into 9.5 W into 0.63, this griddle is compact yet efficiently sized for various cooking needs. The reversible design allows for flexible use, grilling on one side and using it as a griddle on the other, offering a range of cooking options in one product. What sets this product apart is its even heat distribution and retention properties, which are characteristic of cast iron cookware. Whether you're searing steaks, cooking pancakes, or making grilled sandwiches, this griddle ensures consistent results every time. Overall, the Lodge LDP-3 Cast Iron Rectangular Reversible Griddle is a reliable
electric griddle. I recently had the opportunity to test out the Dash Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle, and I must say I was quite impressed. This griddle offers a sleek design in classic black, made primarily of durable plastic by the renowned brand Dash. The product dimensions of 12.5 inches in diameter, 22.8 inches in width, and 2.9 inches in height make it a versatile addition to any kitchen countertop. With a wattage of 1500, this electric griddle heats up quickly and evenly, allowing for efficient cooking. Weighing in at 7.7 pounds, the Dash Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle is lightweight and easy to move around, yet sturdy enough to handle regular use. The included components are the product itself and a detailed manual for easy setup and operation. This griddle's manual feature gives users full control over the cooking process, ensuring that every meal is prepared to perfection. Whether you're whipping up pancakes for breakfast or grilling sandwiches for lunch.
Electric Griddle. This Presto 07047 Cool Touch Electric Griddle is a versatile addition to any kitchen, offering a convenient and efficient way to prepare a variety of dishes. Its special feature of being programmable adds an element of customization that users will appreciate. The sleek black color and non-stick material not only enhance its visual appeal, but also make cooking and cleaning a breeze. As a product bearing the reputable Presto brand, this electric griddle meets high standards of quality and performance. With dimensions of 2.25 D into 18.5 W into 11.25 H, it provides ample cooking space, while remaining compact enough for easy storage. The 1300.00 wattage ensures quick and even heating, allowing for consistent results with every use. Weighing just 4.6 pounds, this electric griddle is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for both home kitchens and on-the-go cooking needs. The inclusion of the Control Master further enhances its usability, giving users greater control over